In Cambridge, near Boston, Massachusetts, is the home of Leonardo Bonanni, a man who wants to revolutionise life in the kitchen. Currently, he's developing his ideas in the Media Lab at MIT and is part of a group they call the Counterintelligence Group.
We're in the kitchen of the Media Lab. Kitchens have always been a very technological space and the first place where most technologies enter the home.
It's a pretty cool place, full of things like indoor greenhouses to keep your salads alive for a month, cloths that tell you the heat of the food as you bring it out of the oven,
Careful, it's hot.
and this prototype tap, which tells you if the water is hot or cold. But pride of place is this, thing, Leonardo's dish maker. What gets Leonardo's goat more than anything else is crockery. It's not the washing up he doesn't like, it's the space the stuff takes up. So his idea is a machine that makes the tableware right there in your own kitchen.
The dish maker that you see here is still an early prototype. We've only been working on the concept for 2 years.
2 years? Blimey. They're not exactly big on finish at the Media Lab, but the concept is cool. The idea is this. Dishes take up a lot of space. But if we can make them flat, they take up next to no space at all. So the idea of the machine is that you have a small box in the kitchen filled with hundreds of flat dishes that can then pop out finished crockery like this at the touch of a button. Brilliant. It seems Leonardo has managed to add a big machine to your house, which can produce hundreds of plastic plates that you then have to store. A bit stupid, that. But actually, it's not that dumb. Once you've used the dish, you put it back in the machine, press another button, and it goes flat again.
It will always remember how it used to be, and it will be able to pop back, like a rubber band. When you stretch rubber, it always goes back to the same shape. Here, you have to soften the material with heat to stretch it out. Once you cool it, there's a stress in it, and so when you heat it again, like a rubber band, it pops back to the shape that it used to be.
This phenomenon is called shape memory, found in some plastics. Take Captain Plastic here. So long as he doesn't get too hot, he's as strong as they come. But whack a bit of heat on him, and you can push him into any shape you like. Take the heat away, and he'll stay down, even though he's constantly trying to get back into his original position. To get him back there, all you need to do is to reapply the heat, and he'll do the rest. Ultimately, Leonardo hopes that machines as small as this could supply large institutions with all their crockery needs, freeing up masses of storage space.
I think this prototype shows the basic concept, which is to make dishes and recycle them all within a machine the size of a dishwasher that doesn't consume any more power than your toaster oven.
All very clever, but Leonardo hasn't managed to crack the biggest problem with crockery in the kitchen. Sure, the machine can recycle just fine, but it can't do the washing up.